told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back for another amazing video. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. So in today's video, we are going to be making our client a bookshelf stroke a deco shelf. So stay tuned to get amazed and enjoy the video. Also, you may learn one or two from us. So for this one, I've already cut the pieces into sizes, and I'll be covering the edges using lipping tape and contact glue. So after covering the edges, this is how the boards are looking now. You can see that I've already covered the edges. So the next process is joining the pieces together. So stay tuned to see how the shelves will turn out, and I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. So as you can see on the screen, I'm just playing around with these pieces of boards that I have that I've already prepared. I'm going to try to play with them to come out with a good design for this DIY today. And I think this design that I've chosen or decided to go with is better, and I think this is good. And I'm going to be attaching the boards together using this drill and 2-inch screw nails. And guys, if you like this kind of content, make sure to like our video, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos. Now what you saw me making here is the base for these shelves. So this is the base, which measures 2 feet, that is across, and the line that you see here is at 1 feet exactly. That is where I'm going to be joining this middle piece here, as you can see on the screen. And also I'm just going to be using 2-inch screw nails for this process here. Also going to add these two pieces here. This is for the design and also to make these shelves very strong so that they can hold anything. And if you have liked this video till this far, don't forget to like and comment on this video.